Oh my god. This is so satisfying. Oh my god, I'm so good. No, I'm an idiot.
Next puzzle. I need to do the next puzzle.
Oh my gosh, what is this? My brain! Oh! There's a fucking table of data. If this works, this is gonna be fucking magic.
Oh my god!
Maths. Give me it. Inject puzzles into my veins. This is so satisfying in the most fucking nerdiest maths way possible. Why do I feel like this game was made exclusively for me? Get on my level. I am supreme master of puzzles. Where is my crown? Well, this game is great. I'm going to play this again, for sure. Thank you. Look at that fucking guy's hair. This is me. Look. Look. Like, I think I need to, like, increase the volume at the top. But I don't think we're there yet.